Hey, this is Paul from Paul's Wanderings, coming to you from the Livermore Trail in Waterville Valley, New Hampshire. Out for a little walk, get some exercise, so let's get going. I hope you liked that little wander through the woods along the Livermore Trail in Waterville Valley, New Hampshire. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your family and friends so that they can see these videos as well. And if you haven't and you wanted to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe. Hit the little bell to get a notification so that when I put out new videos, you'll know about it. So this is Paul signing off in search of my next wander throughout the woods and wilderness of New Hampshire. See you later.